this is Jesse Stuber of the Jesse Stuber Show, and we are doing a special unboxing. Oh, he's already tearing into it.
Yeah.
A special unboxing for Fat Tat Daddy's YouTube channel.
For a Lost Origin Sword and Shield Pokemon booster pack.
Lost, there you go. All right, let's see what you got.
If I can open the goddamn thing.
We went to Toys R Us in Toledo. They have them now at Macy's.
Toledo, Ohio.
In Toledo, Ohio.
So, let's just do this now. What's your win?
All right, show what you got.
So I got, this is Paris.
Show the camera.
UK. I got Paris and UK as my first one. And then we got whatever name this is. I don't know what its name is. Giants? I don't know.
You gotta hold it long enough for it to see.
I don't know what this one's name is. That's what I might pronounce. Malabar, reverse hollow, energy, gastrodon, lost vacuum. That one's new. Whoa! Kingdra. That is one of my favorites.
Kingdra.
Yeah, Kingdra. And then we got Relicast.
Use the left 2 lanes to keep left onto I-75 south toward Dayton.
And that is all.
That's all of them. All right, everybody, like and subscribe to the Fat Tat Daddy YouTube channel.
Here's what I got earlier.
Oh, and you got that one earlier.
Well, yes, you did.
Well, I got it in my pack, but
Traded.
Keep left.
yeah, I traded. I picked up one just because kid was getting Pokemon, and I used to get it back in the day.
36 miles.
And one of these days, I'm going to actually teach him how to play Pokemon. But like and subscribe to the Fat Tat Daddy YouTube channel or my YouTube channel, the Jesse Stuber Show.
And I don't have
And Liam doesn't have one, but eventually he's going to keep being on our channels. All right. Okay, since this is Brandon's channel,